Now that he's asleep, we can finish doing fun stuff. I can go do some fun stuff with my friends.
Huh?
What knows that comic?
All right, y'all. Right lifestyle back with another video. Let me pause this real quick, man. So today we are actually going to get these brakes and rotors done the right way. I got my tools. I got everything I need.
Eventually.
All right, y'all. So I apologize in advance about the noise over there. But, yeah, so the first thing you're going to do is what I was talking about. You're going to take this and this, and you're going to knock those out. And this bracket right here is going to fall right off. So I'm going to try to get it to where this camera will show. Let's see. Let me know when you guys can see. Y'all good? All right. So I got a little punch and I got a little hammer. Stick that in there. Try not to mess up the caliper paint. One, two. And you see what I'm saying? The bracket falls right off. So now what you can do is take this here, what this thing called, y'all?
Down. Ham, a fucking sandwich.
Flathead. You take this little flathead and you just slide these right on out of there. See, look at that. Like butter. One side, two sides. So, as you can see, we got the brake pads out of there. Real simple, easy peasy. So, the next thing you want to do, and you can actually do it now if you want, but I like to use a C-clamp, so I'm gonna wait. But the next thing you want to do is take this whole piece off right here. Yo, am I tightening it? Hold on. No, that's tight. Okay. Now that we got it broken, you want to, this is the passenger side. So on the passenger side, y'all, I'm pushing up. Just in case y'all wondering which direction I'm going. It's going up. That's one. Let's get this bottom one. Y'all might need leverage, but your boy got muscles. So, freak butter. Butter biscuit, I got it. All right. Now that's broke. Okay. And then, oh crap. I use this to basically finish the job. And just like that, man, the rotors are off. And sure, so you don't want to mess this. You don't want to mess up your brake line. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to pinch it or nothing like that. So, you know, go ahead and hit that with a little quick inspection and stuff like that. Make sure it's not leaking. And yeah, so mine's all right. Mine's good. Next thing I do, and you don't have to. There's other ways, but what I like to do is use my C clamp and my brake. So I stick that on there to where it covers both pistons. You see this red button? This red button, easy slidage. Easy. Oh man. There you go. I don't know what's wrong with that button. That button was tripping. But anyway, put that on there. You can press this red button. Press this red button to get it to slide down faster. Boom. Oh, come on. There we go. Yeah, press the red button, let it slide down faster, and then tighten it. And that'll help, you know, get it down easier. Alright, you don't want to go extraordinarily tight, but as you can see, it's nice and, come on camera, it's nice and flush right there. So you want to make sure it's flush. Get your butt up. There we go. Then you want to repeat the same step on the other side. On this side, I put a little towel up because y'all know I painted my calipers, so I didn't want to, what you call it, ruin the paint. So but once again, twist it till it's nice and flush. It's not a race. Boop. There it is. And boom. To get it back on, you know, you just reverse the process. What the freak, nasty? You want to make sure these are nice and tight. All right. Whew. And that's how you change the rotors, guys. So simple. So simple. You can save yourself some bucks. I mean, you get the time, but I mean, you get the, you know, I guess, the satisfaction of knowing you did it yourself. You know what I'm saying? But if you're not comfortable and you feel like, you know, you can't do it safely, then I wouldn't risk it. Because this is how you stop. You feel me? And reverse the process. Oh crap, y'all! Bird feather just flew in there. Done. Oh, sorry, but not done. So then, you get your new with your new pins, and the way you put this on there is if you look at them, see the little flat pieces right here and right there. You want those facing out. You know what I'm saying? So, and you can also look at the nipple. You want the little nipple facing out. Trash float. I normally use the back into place, like I said. And that's how you do it. So of course I'm just gonna clean this off, get it nice back and shiny and stuff. And that's a rock. I got chipped, man. That sucks. But get it cleaned up and stuff, and then that'll do it for this video. The part 2 will be me washing the rims and doing a ceramic coat. But hey man, to all my new subscribers, thank you. I'm not a professional. I'm not a mechanic. This is all DIY. I'm just, learning as I go along. So, bear with me, rock with me. Of course, I'm gonna make mistakes. Put them in the comment section. Tell me something I could have did that made it easier. Because it's not gonna be my last time doing this. So, as always, your boy Right Lifestyle checking out with another video.